Leo against BTC. Leo has been pretty strong. We are anticipating the possibility of Leo heading towards the 1-to-1 extension at 1635. 1635. Okay, am I saying it correctly? 0.000 16353. Yeah, so potentially more upside to come for Leo against BTC. So if that happens, yeah, are we gonna get something like a inverse head and shoulders? Woo, this would be a very powerful move if we had it, but we're not too sure ourselves. So again, how much higher are we gonna go? Not too sure. Are we gonna see some sort of a reversal potentially? Potentially, but the trend is still bullish though. Are we tired? Are we gonna see some signs of lethargy before we start a bearish reversal? Potentially, but again, Leo BTC is just difficult to trade, in my opinion. Right? We see two valleys, but we don't know if we're gonna complete a third valley or we're just gonna head up towards the 1-to-1. So yeah, Leo BTC is just not really that clear. Not to me though, but you can see that this is a price of interest. Right? Before we fell, we bounce off of it. Poing, 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 pew. Right. And again, before we attempt to break back up, we poing, poing. So this is a area of interest. So we are hitting the area of interest. Before we fall, it is a support, broken support. Before it rises back up, it hits a resistance. Resistance. One day we're gonna break it. One fine day. The only question is when. When? Tell me when will you be mine? Tell me quando. Yeah, so yeah, there might be a little dip first though. I get a value number 3, right? Before we break it for real. Maybe, yeah, but we can't tell for sure. So we're just gonna put it into our watch list and observe. Leo USD. Wow, look at this. We're still in a bullish trend. We're still above the skinny pink line. As long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain bias bullish for Leo against USD. So my guess is Leo will very likely see some sort of a rally. Maybe this could be a wave 5 in the making. If this is a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Slight higher high. Double bearish divergence. Higher high on the price, but lower high on the MACD. Lower high on the RSI. And then we have a big, deep collapse for Leo against USD. In my opinion, that is possible. I think that, yeah, it's much safer for us to not do anything at this point of time. I don't think it's time to be going long. We are almost, I feel like we're almost at the end of the impulsive move, right? We have been on an uptrend since 2019. December 25th. Merry Christmas! Ho ho ho! So yeah, we're heading to summer. Yeah, it's still winter though. So I don't know. The point is I just don't know how much higher we're gonna go. Leo is just untradeable, right? Against BTC, things are slightly clearer compared to the USD pair. So if anything, you should be looking at the BTC pair rather than the USD pair. Alright, guys, that's it for today's Crypto TA. I hope you enjoyed it. I shall see you in the next one. Let's check out the comments. Hey DJ, hola, ¿cómo estás? DJ says, do you feel we're seeing an extended bull run, or this is, what are you talking about? We've already switched bearish. The moment Bitcoin crossed the skinny pink line on the daily, we are already bearish. Beginning of or bear season, or for most of the top 50. Yeah, it's really bearish. Hey Tom, what's up Tom? Thanks for the analysis, Skinny. It's refreshing to hear an objective approach. I'm tired of all these shoe channels that try to advertise 10x this or 100x that. Keep up the good work. Yeah, you should just stop watching those channels. You should just unsubscribe to those channels right now. Yes, never catch falling knives. I keep hearing people fall for this fallacy over and over under the guise of buying the dip. See you tomorrow, Skinny. Yes, sir. See you tomorrow. Yeah, never catch falling knives. There is a select few people who can catch knives, but those few people know what they are doing. They are very clear of what they are doing. But for the majority, the advice will be to not catch falling knives. Absolutely no. No, 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 no. So yeah, never cash falling knives. Right, let's check out Twitch. Alright guys, I guess that's it for today's live stream. I hope you enjoyed it. I shall see you in the next one. Right, have a great week ahead of you. Ta-ta. Tell me when will you be mine? Tell me quando, quando, quando. Eh, what am I doing?